guys, Bensound here, and I am back. I'm doing something fun that doesn't need to be recorded, but I thought it would be fun to do because I've never ever done it before, and I'll be making fake blood. I wanted to get some stuff because I'll be doing Yuno and a few other characters that use blood, so I thought it'd be really interesting to try it out on Yuno first, do the blood photo shoot kind of thing, and see how it turns out and the result of it. So let's get started. So we got cornstarch, we got syrup, corn syrup, and coloring and cocoa. What's the first thing we need to do, baby?
Okay, so you're gonna make a half a cup of light corn syrup.
Also, we're doubling the recipe.
So a cup of light corn syrup.
Because why not? When you try something for the first time, don't double the recipe. But I am a baker at heart. It decided not to rip properly.
You are a baker at heart.
Ah! Does this stuff actually taste like? You know what? No, I'm not gonna do that right now.
It's just sugar.
So we're doing a full cup.
Full cup. That's doubling the recipe.
Full cup of cornstarch.
Light corn syrup.
I'm sorry.
Don't get dark, otherwise you won't be able to color it.
Yep. Maybe in here. I'm gonna do this. Get all that out of there. Alrighty, Ian.
Then 2 to 3 drops of red food coloring.
Like something on me. But since it says 2 to 3, we're gonna do 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually, let's start with 5. That was way more.
That was 7.
That was way more, don't be me. Alright.
Then you're gonna do 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder.
Cocoa powders. I'm making such a mess already, and I have just started.
Welcome to baking.
Okay, hold on. I might need a napkin, darling. Okay. You said 3 tablespoons of cocoa?
Yep.
Let's hope we don't end up using all the cocoa. Unsweetened. Do you level cocoa?
Not, well, you can if you need to.
Like, I know you never level flour, but stuff like baking soda, you level because you don't want extra of that. Alright, cocoa powder.
And then you're gonna do 3 tablespoons of cornstarch.
I think I'm the only one who will be using this cornstarch, so I'm not going to bother cleaning my tools, because this is probably going to be particularly for weird cosplay things.
Don't do that normally. If you're gonna actually be using this and you have to use stuff normally,
Clean it off,
most
yes.
of the time, clean it off.
Of course. Don't. What's the thing they say? Do as I say, not as I do.
Yeah.
Alright.
Now mix.
Mixing time. Go on, mix it.
The camera shot.
Out of it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, right now.
The poor kitchen. This poor kitchen. So, that was not... So we made chocolate syrup to start.
Whoa.
Part 2. Alright, you take that. Take that. I will get a bowl. And I will try again. It is okay to mess up. And then you just try again. Alright.
This time, a half a cup of corn syrup.
I'm wondering if you really need the cocoa powder, to be honest. Because after you get...
Just to make it a flavor.
Yeah, but this is flavored with vanilla.
Want to try without that then?
I'm going to try without the cocoa. Like, there's already going to be cocoa on the spatula, but
You're gonna do.
this says it's flavored with vanilla. Yeah, it tastes like sweetness.
2 to 3 drops of red food coloring. And 1.5 tablespoons of cornstarch.
I just don't have a hat. A hat?
Yeah.
Try this again. Try this. I was wondering what we needed a cocoa for. And I was wondering if it was to make it darker or if it was to flavor it. In which it says that this is naturally flavored with vanilla.
It's probably to make it darker.
Because now it looks like strawberry jam. Might be to get that coagulated dark blood texture. Maybe?
Possibly.
Because this is now strawberry jam. So I'm going to add a tablespoon, because it says tablespoon, right?
1.5.
But I'm going to add a tablespoon just to start. And then, or should I add half first?
Do half.
This isn't terrible. It's not going to get the same kind of fresh blood look though. See? So this is straight chocolate. And that's what that's going to look like. That one looks closer to blood. I guess the next test would be, how does it photograph?
Yeah.
So. So from the looks of it, it seems like it might be off, but the last test, the true test, is to do a photo shoot. So we're gonna go, I'm gonna go get dressed in Yuno, and then we're gonna see what it looks like afterwards. Hi, I'm in Yuno. After sitting, it got a little thicker and a little darker, a lot closer to what I would expect from blood. So, how do we go about doing this? Should I just dip my hands in and rub it on my face?
Might as well.
Alright then. So, it actually photographs really well, and I probably look like a crazy person right now. I am in Yuno, but obviously. So it photographs super well and it records super well as far as I can tell. Does it record well, Ian?
Yeah.
Can you tell that this is frosting or?
I mean, the fact that I made it, yeah, but
I mean, if I were to get a lot closer, would you be able to tell whether or not it's frosting or real blood? That's the difference.
Stop.
Either way. And when it's sat, it actually looks really good. So the only dilemma for me being a messy, like I don't like messes, and this is really sticky. So if you don't like sticky, don't do this. But it looks really good in my opinion. So there you go. I can post the recipe in the description below. So in case you want to do some crazy, sticky, sexy Halloween stuff, there you go. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, if you like me, subscribe. There's bell notification, all that stuff, but I don't really care about that. So yeah, thank you for hanging out, watching this video. Remember, you are loved, you are wonderful, and great in every way. And I hope I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Bye now. Bye. Bye. Bye.